Would this be one of the reasons you're not saving money for an emergency fund? Well, if you're not saving money for an emergency fund, I have a 52-week savings challenge that can help you. I'm going to show you that no matter how much money you make or how much money you have, you can still save money for an emergency fund. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment, let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And on today, we're doing another savings challenge, which I have 7 savings challenges. And today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 1, which I do on Mondays. And what you need for this particular savings challenge is a bottle. This one is called my money bottle savings challenge. Now, I got this bottle from Walmart. It was about $13, $14. It was full of water. I bought the bottle, brought it home, poured the water out, let it dry real good, and I've been adding 10 $1 bills in it every Monday. And I started this particular savings challenge last year in 2024. And I continued it because what we're trying to save is $1,000. That is the goal, to save a $1,000 emergency fund. Now, by the end of the end of 2024, it was not $1,000 in here. So I decided to continue it throughout the year of 2025. Okay, so this is one of the savings challenges that you can participate in if your situation is this, or this, or this, or you're in this situation. And the reason why you can do that, because we're working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. And this is considered cash stuffing, and we're stuffing this money bottle with 10 $1 bills. See this? This is 10 $1 bills, okay? And once it's all stuffed, it will be $1,000. Now, this is to show you that no matter what you do, how much you money make, what your income is, you should be able to take out 10 $1 bills once a week, or if you get paid every 2 weeks, $20 every 2 weeks. But do something. Okay, and I'm trying to show you that no matter what your income, no matter what you do, whether you work a 9 to 5, you have side hustles, you're an entrepreneur, have a business, you should be able to at least take out $10 and save it. This bottle was empty when I started the savings challenge. Now look at it. It is almost full. And we're not quite through this year yet. We're getting there. And so we want to save for an emergency so we won't have to go out and get one of these. Okay? Or this. Or this. And we want to stay out of this. We don't want to rack up a bunch of this. Okay? Because this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. And that's like giving away money, which we don't have money to give away. Okay? And staying in this keeps us in a hole. and we cannot be financially free. And another thing with these savings challenges, we have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and being disciplined by not spending. Yeah, not spending, okay? And another thing that can help us if we pay off this, find a way to pay this off and drive car payment free. You can take that money and put into your savings challenge, your emergency fund, or you can invest it to build wealth. Okay, and another thing, if we do things to come out of this, also be financially free. That's what we want to be. And we want to make sure we also save not just $1,000 for emergency fund, but we want to save 3 to 6 months of our expenses in case something like this happens. We want to be ready and have money to tap into if something like this happens, okay? Because if we don't have money put away to the side when an emergency comes, this is what will happen. And we don't want to be in this situation either, okay? And another thing that'll help, watch your spending. Live on less than what you make. Staying out of this. Now, you know, if you're financially free, okay, fine. But if you're not, the goal is to be financially free and debt free, okay? That's another thing that would help you to be able to save, okay? And go grocery shopping. Don't eat out so much. Buy groceries, cook, and meal prep. That will help you save money because eating out is expensive. Uber Eats, DoorDash, and what is the other one? Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub. That is expensive. And, you know, some of us can barely, you know, buy food. So anyway, and another thing, it's a good idea to have multiple streams of income. If this is your situation, try to find a way to have multiple streams of income. Okay? Increase your income if your situation is this. Okay? Okay. All right. So, we're going to go ahead and add our 10 $1 bills to our savings challenge for today. Okay? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and record this. This is how I keep up with how much is in here. I record this in my planner that I got from Dollar Tree for $1.25. Okay. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is called our Money Bottle Savings Challenge. Okay, we added $10. Okay, last week the total amount was $650, so that makes $660. Wow, see how it is adding up? Like I said, if we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. Yes, it does. We just have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Okay, so drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this particular savings challenge or if you're doing any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.